Okay, so I'm looking at the spine area that I was upsetting yesterday, and I'm noticing there's some cold shuts happening in there. I'm going to go ahead and take care of those now and grind them out. A cold shut happens usually when I'm upsetting the metal and I'm basically pushing the metal back into itself, and some of it decides to fold over. Now if I don't take care of that right now, it'll actually grow as I draw out the rest of that metal and continue shaping it the way I want it to be. If I get the project to the size and the thickness that I want it before I take care of those cold shuts, when I go to grind that cold shut out, then I end up with a smaller or a thinner piece than I actually wanted. So it's best to get rid of those as soon as possible. Okay, so this looks much better now. I got rid of the cold shuts, was able to clean it up a little bit, got rid of some of the other things that I kind of saw. So now what my plan is, I'm going to just keep drawing this out, keep stretching it. There's plenty of metal in there, we've got a lot to move. Alright guys, yeah, it's day 3. I've already been working on the Kukri a little bit, but I don't know if you guys could tell in the background that I've been sniffling, so a little under the weather, and it's definitely affecting my strength right now. So instead of using the hammer on it and trying to get that angle that I want on it, I'm going to go ahead and try and use the shop press I got. It's, I'll show it to you right now here. Little 12-ton shop press. Picked it up from Harbor Freight. Swapped out the bottle jack it had on there for a pneumatic version. A lot easier. It had a hand valve on it to operate it, and just trying to hold the metal and trying to do that at the same time is too much, so upgraded and put a foot pedal on there. Then for the release, I welded on a little handle, just quickly let it go down. So that's basically how I make it work. It's not the best. The compressor I got's a little undersized for it as well, but it does the job. I don't get a whole lot of work out of it, and it's only 12 tons, so it's not like I push a lot. But we're going to work on this for a little bit and see how much of that metal I can move right now. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up and get going on it. Okay, so at this point I decided to go back to the anvil. As you can see in the video, that press is pretty rickety. So when you think about it, 12 tons of pressure, hot metal, it can be a little scary. But it did a good job. It moved the metal where I needed to go. And when you don't feel good, you need something to give you an advantage. Alright, so all I gotta do now is just brush off the scale and start knocking down these high points. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, hit the like button. If you guys want to stay up to date, hit that subscribe button and click on that bell for notifications. You guys take care. Have a good day.